Opportunity to invest in a bioproduction facility for dengue fever treatment. Registered by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration that produces a 1,000-fold profit. How are you preparing for your future? Bank deposit? Installment savings? Or are you making an investment? Development of the world's first new drug for dengue fever, OEM production. On August 17, 2022, the dengue fever treatment drug, 댕기열, developed by AMLBIO. The head office, conducted a sample test with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to verify its effectiveness. JK BioSience Inc., an experimental research institute of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, received a liquid sample on August 11, 2022, and announced the results of a dengue fever treatment effect verification test report on September 15, 2022. Since 2021, the headquarters has been drinking dengue fever treatment samples for dengue fever patients in Indonesia for clinical trials. 99.9% of patients in dengue fever clinical trials achieved a remarkable effect of being completely cured. In January 2023, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration assigned a unique number NDC No. 8101600071 for dengue fever treatment to their website and completed registration. With these results, the head office ordered OEM production from a Korean food and medicine manufacturer. And the initial product is about to be released in February. The head office decided to attract investment from individuals or companies to have the world's first dengue fever treatment manufacturing and production facilities. The investment scale of the production facility is KRW 350 billion, and it is planned to establish the production facility as a new corporation and allocate a 35% stake to investors. The value of 1% stake is 10 billion won in Korean won, and 100 million won in one account. Is divided into 3,500 accounts and will be sold to individuals or companies. The World Health Organization estimates that there are 50 million cases of dengue fever each year, of which about 22,000 die. Until now, there was no cure, so I was concentrating on preventive treatment. Although there has been no perfect treatment product, if our product is produced and sold in earnest, it will be a new hope for 50 million patients with dengue fever every year. What is dengue fever? Dengue fever is a mosquito-borne illness that occurs in tropical and subtropical areas of the world. Mild dengue fever causes a high fever and flu-like symptoms. The severe form of dengue fever, also called dengue hemorrhagic fever, can cause serious bleeding, a sudden drop in blood pressure, shock and death. Diagnosis. Diagnosing dengue fever can be difficult because its signs and symptoms can be easily confused with those of other diseases, such as chikungunya, Zika virus, malaria and typhoid fever. Your doctor may also draw a sample of blood to be tested in a lab for evidence of infection with one of the dengue viruses. Treatment. No specific treatment for dengue fever exists. While recovering from dengue fever, drink plenty of fluids. Signs and symptoms. Dehydration, decreased urination, few or no tears, dry mouth or lips. Lethargy or confusion, cold or clammy extremities. If you have dengue fever, you should avoid other OTC pain relievers, including aspirin, ibuprofen, Advil, Motrin IB, others and naproxen sodium aleve. These pain relievers can increase the risk of dengue fever bleeding complications. But don't worry now. There is a dengue kill. Dengue kill, a treatment for dengue fever, is a natural mineral product that received safety test and NDC/OTC drug certification from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. It has also been registered as a trademark by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Conducting clinical trials. A clinical trial conducted on 30 patients with dengue fever and malaria in Indonesia showed a 99.9% cure rate. The future value investment is health. You can become the owner of the biomedical industry. A 66,000 square meter factory with a land area of more than 100,000 square meters. And a research and experimental building of 66,000 square meters will be developed. The investment scale, including the high-temperature blast furnace facilities and product production lines of 3,000 degrees or more required for raw material production. Various equipment and machinery facilities, and the cost of purchasing fuel and raw materials, is approximately 350 billion Korean won. Establish a new manufacturing and production corporation. And provide a 35% investment stake with an investment of 350 billion Korean won. We invite 3,500 people with 100 million Korean won in one account. As a special event, the first 200 customers will receive a 50 million Korean won discount per account.